So I purchased a new iPhone 8 a little while ago, and then I had this freezing problem, and I went back to the Apple store and they gave me a brand new phone again. And then now, after, I don't know, 3 days or, it still has the same problem. It freezes. Okay. So it switches back from 4G to Wi-Fi every once in a while, and it freezes. No. This is really annoying. This is like my second new replacement of the iPhone. So I'm afraid I'm gonna have to go back to the Apple store and replace a new one again, and I'm afraid this problem still occurs. So I don't know what to do. Apple, you're having serious problems.